Here's how to install Panduit's Broadband Fiber Pedestal. Determine the proper location for the pedestal. Dig a hole about 2 inches larger than the pedestal and 10 inches deep to align the ground line with the recommended depth of the pedestal. Install a ground rod if needed to comply with local grounding and bonding practices. Unpack the pedestal. Remove the front cover using a 2/16 type tool. Turn the tool counterclockwise to loosen the locking bolt on the lower right side of the cover. Use the hand pocket on the bottom of the cover to lift the cover up and off. To remove the lower front cover, use the tool to loosen the locking bolts on the left and right side of the pedestal. Lift the cover up and out. If you are stake mounting the pedestal, drive the stake into the ground so that its flanges rest on the outside of the pedestal wall. The top of the stake should be at least 2 inches above ground level. To secure the backplate to the mounting stake, choose the holes in the stake that align with the holes in the backplate so that the bottom of the base will be 8 inches below ground level. Install the mounting hardware through the holes and secure it. Prepare the cables. Reassemble the lower front cover. Ensure that the cover is in its lowest position by fully seating the bolts on the cover into the slots on the backplate. Tighten all bolts securely using the 2/16 type tool. Backfill with soil around the outside of the pedestal. The top 4 inches of the lower cover should be above ground. Pour gravel inside the pedestal. And finally, put the upper cover assembly back together and tighten the locking bolt with a 2/16 type tool. We are where you want broadband to go. For more information about Panduit Fiber to the Home products, visit panduit.com/FTTH.